It's the stadium shuffle. Yeah.
Shuffle, Jenna. I don't know how to shuffle, but that's as good as I
learned
can shuffle.
from Tanner Bailey from watching him outside my window.
Stalker!
Wow. Yeah.
I don't actually watch people at my window.
What a lie.
Very often.
Often.
Only sometimes.
Every day? Only every day.
Well, it's kind of hard when you're just sitting there and you just...
Draw a picture. Will you draw me a picture? That's all I want for Christmas. There's a sock.
Oh!
I always wonder, how does one lose their sock?
Well, maybe someone throws it out of their car?
Why?
I don't like the song anymore.
Or maybe they just took it off and didn't want it.
I guess so.
Or maybe something happened to it.
It was pink. No one likes pink.
Exactly. Look at the pumpkins.
Ooh, look, they're smiley faces.
Pumpkins.
Ooh. That one has teeth.
Gross.
Santa Claus. And I'm nothing. There's a van.
Ben?
Up there.
Ben?
Yes! Make sure they honk.
Yeah.
When did it come faster?
Ah!
That one! The van. Okay, behind you, Nicole. There.
That's a fire guy.
Yeah!
That's a what?
Fire guy.
Oh, yeah.
What a reckless driver that was.
No doubt.
Wait, look at the Got a whole lot of people, not one of them waiting.
Just that whole line just wave.
I know, there must be like a secret conspiracy against Santa Clauses.
Maybe.
Probably.
Oh, we already waved her.
They came
Yeah,
back.
yeah. She loves us. Timmy's our...
We don't do drugs.